Hi guys, I'm Sheni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. So guys, today we are going to talk about ways on how you can make money at your workplace. It can be for transport or for whatever reason that you may think of, but that is what we are going to cover today. And it might not make you a lot of money, but at the end of the day you would have made something out of it. So let's go. The first thing that we are going to talk about, it is to ask your employer if it's possible for you to work overtime. There are some workplaces whereby they allow you to work over time. You can maybe cover for someone when they are not feeling well, or maybe when they didn't come to work, or it can be just you working overtime, like on whatever that you do each and every day. You can make money because at the end of the day, overtime pays a bit more than your normal time. So that is the first thing that you can do. The second thing that you can do, it is to lend money to your colleagues. So with this one, you have to be careful though, because at the end of the day people don't want to pay back borrowed money. So I feel that you have to borrow your money to people that you trust, that they won't give you problems whenever you need your money back. For example, you can lend them 200 rands, maybe it will come back with like extra 20 rands. In that way you would have made 20 rands profit. So the good thing about this one is that you get to choose on your profits. You can actually make more money with this kind of a business. So the third thing that you can do, it is to prepare lunch at your workplace for your colleagues. A lot of people, they don't bring lunch to work. They rather spend money buying lunch, and now they sell takeaways for like 45 rands. So you can make money if you do prepare lunch for your colleagues, and maybe hire somebody to bring lunch during your lunch breaks. So that is how you can make money. And you can also sell soft drinks, because after eating we all need something to drink. So I think this one is the fourth thing, right? So the fourth thing that you can do to make money, if you are working shifts like me where there's night shifts and weekend, you can start selling energy drinks. You can make money with that as well, because during like that night time when you're waking, your body automatically needs to rest, so you need something to boost your system up. So that is where the energy drinks will come in. So that is how you can make money. And another thing that you can do to make money is to sell cupcakes during tea breaks, because there are some workplaces whereby there's tea breaks, and they normally from 10 to 15 or 20 minutes. During that time, people don't eat. They normally just chat and all that. So that is where your business, I mean your cupcake business, will come in, so they can have something to eat for that short period of time. And you can also start selling tea or coffee, because there are some workplaces whereby they call it tea break, but they don't have anything to make tea. So you can start providing that and make money. So you won't make much, as I said, but you will make something. And the last thing that I would like to talk about today, it is not really something that you can do at your workplace, but it is something that can actually save you money if you have kids who are at high school or primary school. Let's say you're used to giving your kids 5 rands, 10 rands each and every day for lunch. I would suggest that if maybe you can buy them a pack of sweets or pack of snacks for them to sell. And in that way, well, after selling, there will be some profits that they will have. That is what they will use for lunch at school, and they will use the rest to continue with the business. In that way, you would have saved money, a lot of money. You won't have to give them that 5 rands, that 10 rand each and every day whenever they are going to school. And you are teaching them on how they should make money at a very young age. I mean, we've all been selling at school, so there is no shame in them selling at school. So I think that will save us a lot of money if we can try to consider doing that. So guys, please stay tuned. I will come back with another video whereby we discuss these kind of things that I do. I talk about businesses that you can start in South Africa and ways on how you can make money in South Africa. For now, have a wonderful day. Bye. See you on the next video.